Attenuate is a verb. That means to reduce the force, effect, thickness, or intensity of something. When something is attenuated, it has been weakened, diminished, or made thinner. The term is frequently used in scientific, medical, and technical contexts to describe the process of making something less potent or concentrated, but it also applies more broadly to any reduction or softening. Origins of attenuate. Attenuate comes from the Latin attenuare, meaning to make thin, from addutu attenuis, thin. The term first entered English in the 16th century and has retained its sense of reducing, lessening, or thinning. How to use attenuate. Attenuate is used in contexts where something is intentionally or naturally weakened or diluted. In medicine, for example, attenuated vaccines contain viruses or bacteria that have been weakened so they can't cause disease, but still provoke an immune response. In signal processing, attenuate might describe the reduction of a signal's strength over distance. More generally, it can describe the lessening of anything such as emotions, sounds, or forces. Example sentences. Soundproofing materials are used to attenuate the noise from the busy street outside. The drug is intended to attenuate symptoms, making the condition easier to manage. Similar words. Diminish to reduce in size, importance, or intensity. Weaken to make less strong or forceful. Dilute to make thinner or less concentrated. In essence, attenuate is a precise word that conveys the idea of softening, diminishing, or thinning. It highlights the process of making something less intense or powerful, whether to make it safer, easier to manage, or simply less noticeable. Subscribe.